Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you this step by step how to back up your website automatically so that you won't lose anything on your website, you won't lose your data. So one of the best way to back up your website is to use a trusted hosting like the wealthyaffiliate.com. So let's go to the website here. This is one of the platforms you can use to host your website. This platform here will back up your website every day, 24/7. So you don't need to do anything on your end at all. It is one of the reliable platforms that you can host your website. So let me show you another way to back up your website. Another way to back up your website is to download a plugin called Updraft. So Updraft Plus here. This is the plugin here. Let me show you the plugin here. So you want to add new plugin. Add new. Let's go to plugins here. The link is down below if you want to check out the Updraft plugin. Plus will give you the possibility to back up your website every day so that you won't lose any data at all. So you just want to go to your plugins, download the plugin. I've already downloaded the plugin and set it up. So let's set things up here. So manually, then you choose your. So all you need to do is to set it up. You can also go to Premium and Premium extension here. So you just throw down here, you choose what you want to be using to back up your website. You can choose Google Drive, Dropbox. All these are what you can use. You can also use their cloud here. You want to connect with the Updraft Central Cloud. Yeah. You just click cloud, then you add your details here, then you connect. Then when you hit connect, then your website will automatically connect to the cloud. So your website will automatically be back up every day, every 24 hours in a day. So that's how you back up your website automatically. So drop your comment down below, guys. Let me know what you like and what you don't like about this video. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.